I noticed that the speaker on my K.O.II was not working. 90% of the time I'm using the headphone out, so it took me a while to figure out that it wasn't working. I think it might have happened after I took it apart to fix the fader, and it turns out I'm not the only one who is having a speaker issue.
My speaker suddenly stopped working and I don't know why. I tried and look in the settings, but I couldn't figure out why it stopped working. So
in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the speaker, assuming that it's still working. And I'm going to go through the step-by-step process that I use to fix stuff like this so you can diagnose your issues appropriately. Step 1, make sure this is not a software thing. So make sure your faders are cranked to max and that your volume knob is cranked as well. Also look at the manual and see if there's anything that you can do to see if the speaker will turn on. Step 2, you want to do research online to see if anyone else has a similar issue and can help you diagnose the problem. Then get a cutting board, add a bottle of tequila, cut some lime wedges, and pour yourself 3 shots and drink them as quick as possible to ease the pain that TE is causing you. So what I suspect that is happening in most speaker issues is that the contacts between the board and the speakers are too loose and they need to be tightened up. Here are both the contacts on the board and on the speaker. These need to be touching or else you won't get a signal to the speaker. So we're gonna have to open it up and tighten these screws that are around the speaker contacts. I would try to tighten all the screws in the vicinity just to make sure that you're getting a good contact. Try to make it tight but not too tight, and do not strip the screws. Before putting it back together, you should test the unit by flipping it and giving it power via batteries or USB. Now you should have a working speaker. If your speaker isn't working at this moment, try tightening the screws a little bit more, but if that doesn't work, I think you have a dud speaker. Now all you have to do is put the unit back together and you are good to go. I actually suggest people do this fix over the fader fix, which is a little bit more complicated if at least you do the method that I do. However, if you do open up the K.O.II, I don't know how warranty works. If you're really careful, they probably won't even know that you opened it, and be prepared to void warranty if you do open it and they find out, I guess. T's been pretty silent about all this stuff. I don't know what their stance is on a lot of these things. I'm just here to help you guys out. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.